Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm about to invite Pranesh to this session. And we're gonna be going over his trading today, like what we did with Peter yesterday. I was extremely tired, but I managed to grab some massive movement on the NASDAQ. And I made a very substantial profit on it, so I'm very happy. Waiting for big boy Pranesh to pop into the session and anyone else. Hopefully we can do something here together. Yeah, we're waiting, and let's have a nice session here. Let's learn something with Pranesh, and let's see where we go. I'm not going to share my screen. I'm waiting for them to come, and then we'll take it from there. Here's Pranesh. Hey, Pranesh. Oh, I muted you. Sorry, I muted you by mistake. Miss Kuzi, please. Hey, you okay?
Yeah, doing good.
Okay, so I'm recording this session. I'm going to give you admin host, so I want you to share your screen.
Okay.
And let's just talk and just open up, share your CTrader, and let's slowly see what we can do here together and talk a little bit about what's going on in the markets. You know what I really like about the tick charts? It really tells me when the market is extremely busy, you know?
Yeah.
That's what I really like, because like I saw it on gold. Like gold was very stagnant throughout the day, very slow moving, you know? And I could see the whole chart just on one view, you know? So that told me that there could be some opportunities coming up because it hasn't moved yet, you know?
Yeah.
I'm very interested to see what can happen. NASDAQ seems to be building head and shoulders. Oh, sorry, I just made you host now.
Okay.
A head and shoulders on its tick charts, execution chart. I grabbed a very nice move there. I made over 200 points on the NAS today.
Yeah. I didn't trade NASDAQ today.
Good. Tell me a little bit about your trading. Tell me what's going on.
Yeah, it's all going great. I just yeah, I'm good. I'm following the system all the time, no matter the cost. And
I'm really happy.
the things I'm facing here is I feel like it's somewhat difficult to choose the pairs that I want to trade in, you know.
I'm going to sort that out soon. Soon, like tomorrow, I'm going to be active all day, so I'll be working on quite a bit.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'm first of all I'm checking the volume, and then I'm mapping out the keys. You see, based on the volume, and I mapping the key levels. All assets are looking. It can be traded. You know, I'm like in critical condition. I have to choose any of three, like that. So that's what.
There are many ways. There are really many ways to do this. You know, it's not too hard. There are many ways to find assets, and I'm going to start showing that in the new course. I'm going to be adding a lot of videos. You know, the thing is, you know, if you want to make something good, you can't rush. So that's why I'm not rushing too much to complete the sections. I have been recording my screen while I'm trading many of the times. So I'm going to be releasing those videos with an overlay of sound. So I'm not recording my sound. I'm just going to explain later on, like why I entered the trade and blah, blah, blah. So you're going to see winners, losers.
By the way, the course actually really helped in that analyze process. You know, I'm following it like like a checklist, and it's all good. Example, today I followed all your points, and I never rushed into a trade. The one trade that made me a mistake is this one. You see here, gold.
Okay.
Yeah. I
no,
thought
it was it looked valid. It looked valid. Look, but you should. Here's the thing. You saw that I was shorting that. I was long NASDAQ. And then I changed to a short. So here you should have very quickly changed into a long because you clearly have a breakout towards the upside. So let me draw a little bit on your screen. So we have a resistance. We have the ATR giving us support areas over here. Look at this one. And then that's the one here. Look, it started and there's the cross. Here, this is essentially where you close this manually and you execute along and you go up. Because by the time we already saw this, look, if we go down, this is already starting to go bullish. It's already above. You understand? Meaning you have a low, you have another low, and then you have a higher low. which pretty much brought you back into the bulls.
This is also the mindset I'm facing now. You see, I can't execute a trade right after a loss. That's what I'm facing actually.
That's fine. You need to start stepping out of the comfort zone. Getting out of the comfort zone is really important, and that's you getting out of the comfort zone. I know it's tough, but size down. I only want to see people increasing their sizes when they have 8 out of 10 days being profitable. So let's say the last 2 weeks of trading, Monday to Monday, 2 weeks in advance. If you have 8 out of 10 days positive, by all means, size up. But if that's not the case, dangerous. Pay attention to fake outs, pay attention to ranges. You can see that NASDAQ popped into a decent range right now. So I'm trying to trade that range a little bit and see what I can do with it.
Also, this one here, I'm actually long on it. You see the higher lows, and I added on to it.
I'm trying to. Okay. Oh, sorry. Undo. No.
Can you see it?
1 second. Okay, now tell me.
This is also another loss for me today.
Okay, let's analyze
long on it.
Okay, let's analyze it. Correct. Your SLs were wrong. First of all, when you executed, you can see that first of all, the ATR is over here. You want to be below that ATR. So this ATR here, you want to be below it. It would have stopped you out. Why did you get out here though? How come you came out here when price was already below here?
It was my stop loss, and I started to scaling my stop loss with the ATR. That's what
you were scaling.
That's what stopped me out.
Okay, so try to incorporate the levels if it's close, and the ATR. So in this case, be below the levels if the ATR is too close to price, and just monitor it, because if this doesn't break, you can clearly see there is a higher low. So low, higher low. There's another higher low over here, and you have the overall resistance. What is your ATR setting here? Is it set to 2 or 3? The multiples?
It's the same as the post I saw.
Okay, 2. 2. Okay, so you can see that there is a resistance here, and then resistance here. And that's the one we reject. We push down, we eventually make again a higher low. And what happens is that we break out of this. Once we broke out of this here, we formed a bullish flag, and that's your long. And thank you for taking it. But try tomorrow to have just a teeny weeny more patience when in a trade. Sorry, I was preparing and I got into it and it spiked down. And sorry, I'm trading the NASDAQ. Okay, I'm out. I've been riding the NASDAQ quick executions. It's extremely bearish. I want you to go on the NASDAQ, please.
Sure.
Or just whatever. Stay here. It's fine. I want this time frame, the 1K tick. I want you to go to the 4-hour. Okay, zoom out a little bit, please. Okay, so what do we see here? We see a lot of ATR levels in this area over here. We have a clear-cut rejection towards the upper layer, and we were trying to break out of this. Remember, when we get stuck towards a key level, that increases, of course, there's going to be a chance of a breakout. This increases the possibility of a bull push. Now, when a bull push fails and lower highs are formed, that significantly indicates that there could be further momentum towards the downside. Can you go on to the daily chart on here now? I want to show you something else. Okay, can you zoom in?
Okay.
Yeah, so I can already see this well. So here's a rejection. We reject that and we start pushing towards the down level. We make this very strong push and then we're forming, look here. You see, we hit last week's level, we hit the daily levels. You see that? We're hitting the snake. I want you to be focusing on those aspects too, because when that started failing, that's the reason I started shorting. And I grabbed a major move. I didn't build it because I went huge at the top. You know, that's what I did. I went right at the top and I just went boom, massive, 2 positions. Okay,
The
you
thing,
can go
the
back
thing I
down to
have to
the
work is my exits, right?
like.
And the stop loss.
There are multiple ways to do it, but let's say you
Yeah.
were shorting here. Okay, let's say this happens and you get a call to short and you short here. And let's say you get
Yeah.
out here, okay? Anywhere in this
Yeah.
candle over here, you get out. And when it crosses again like this, it's basically telling, one sec. It's basically telling you, Pranesh, you have an opportunity to do something here. Okay, that's what the market's telling you. The market's telling you got another opportunity. So you know you have a support over here. You can see a possible breakout of that support. When this started happening, maybe you would get out if you shorted again, but very quickly you get another entry again. You understand? Very quickly you get a signal for an entry. I want you to sit on the chart before you execute the trade and just wait. Go down to the 10 ticks if you have to. I'm trading 10 most of the time now. And just sit and watch and watch and watch and feel it. Don't do anything else. No Instagram, no Facebook, no movies, no TV shows, nothing. You're just watching the chart, and your eyes are collecting data, and you're just getting more and more and more. And I try to take a long. Can you go down to the 500 over here? 500 ticks.
Yeah.
Okay, so over here, we were forming a potential head and shoulders, okay? And even over here, we had a potential head and shoulders. Wait, one sec. So here, we were trying to form a head and shoulders recently. And I was looking at it and said, maybe there's going to be a potential for it. On the 10 tick, right in this angle here, we also had the head and shoulders, but we also had the potential for a range. So I tried to go long. It was in profit, went down SL. As soon as it started giving me indications of a breakout, I shorted this and I made money on this thing here. Now it's reversing. Now I made another head and shoulders on the 10 ticks and it's trying to make a reversal. So, and the reason for that, for me making money on this move right now, the pure and simple reason, and I'm long by the way on it now, I'm just on the 10 tick and I have already 21 points. Even though it's a 10 tick, I'm still making good points, you know? So yeah, I want you to focus on the market as best as you can, to feel it, to feel that primedness, you know, to say, oh, okay, I got this, you know, and then start trading. Because many times I see people trying to execute trades. See, I'm out now. I just made 26 points on a long, on a bear market in a long. Now I'm getting calls for potential shorts. I'm waiting for the previous support to break. 10 ticks, if you check it, it's broken. I'm trying now.
Let me go to 10 ticks.
So I'll show you, I'll draw for you. You see this? You clearly see it, it's right there, right? So I took a short. I took a short right here. I got 6 points, 5 points. This is just real fast. So I can lock it in, for example. I just locked it. But I just made money on this move. See this breakout? Continuation. Yes. So I bought and I bought, right? And I took money somewhere here. And then I shorted again. You know, do you know how I'm able to do that? Because I feel the market. Please scroll to the left here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Range, breakout, long. You understand?
Yeah.
So now I got 9 points on this already, and I'm out. I shouldn't have gone out because the market's very bearish, but I'm sizing up big, you know? Okay, talk to me a little bit. Tell me, what did you do good today?
Then I went for DAX. I saw this. No, it's in a range, but MACD is showing a bearishness. It formed a lower high.
Okay.
And then we have flips on 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then I shorted it, but I came out actually. You know,
okay.
Here.
I see.
Yeah. See, there is no reason for me to exit. That's why you said me you have to be patient with your exits. Yeah, that's I'm really struggling with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I find it difficult for the assets to trade, and my exits I have to work on those things. That's it.
So yeah, just mentally acknowledge that. I'm releasing a mental post soon, a mental section to the system on
Okay.
Discord, where you're going to be able to talk about your mindset a little bit, what you're struggling with, what's holding you currently a little bit back from, you know, from overall success and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So there's going to be a lot of things to go over. In the mornings before you start trading, I would like to see a little bit more input from your side as well, please. On
Okay, sure.
I just took a long, by the way, NASDAQ. I got nine points. I'm trying to trade it back to the VWAP of the 1,000, the snake of the 1,000.
Okay.
I'm out. Oh fuck! I'm clicking on the wrong thing. Oh,
I had to get used to enter as much as quickly after a loss. After a loss, I will take like at least 5 minutes, you know, before getting into a trade.
that's fine. You need to adjust. You mean? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, I
I'm
have to
back in
be
longs.
really quick on deciding. Yeah, you would say like I will be
See,
ready
I
as soon
made
as
money
to
from
sell and
here.
buy.
My money from here to here. You see this? And then I executed
Yeah.
again over here.
Yeah.
And I'm out. So I just made money buying this. I made money buying this.
There's still a lot to learn from.
One day at a time, brother. One day at a time. Open up a chart. I want to see some action from you.
Oh, anything?
Whatever you want. The reason, let's talk a little bit. The market's extremely bearish, okay? Why
Okay.
am I getting out of my longs quickly? I'm getting valid signals, but I'm getting out of my longs quickly for the reason of it could crash. When the market's crashing, it's falling down much faster than it's going up. And we can see that very well, okay? So
Yeah.
I could have held on and maybe waited for price. So the smarter thing on my second longs should have been waiting for price to break the snake. Okay, here we're trying for potential shorts now. What is your settings of the snake on the tick chart?
It's 20 actually.
Okay, correct, 20.
Yeah.
Who joined? Okay, I can see 3 participants. Alan. Hey, Alan, how's it going? So now I got a signal for a short and I'm taking it
Milan, Aaron. Yeah.
without hesitation.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Okay. So yeah, I took the short without hesitation, but I want to see you, okay? I'm not going to tell you what I'm trading. I want to see a little bit of you. Show me. Show me what you got, Pranesh.
Hold on a second.
Check for something and just tell me. I would advise not touching WTI because the spread's a bit wider.
Yeah.
For short-term trades, unless you see something valid on the tick, like 500, 1000 tick, then by all means do something, but otherwise don't.
Actually, gold is rejecting the previous VWAP close, and it is at the fibs at 5 minutes. I'll show you. Yeah, you see here.
Just a sec. Okay, 1 second, coming to your screen. I shorted NASDAQ. Okay, this is gold.
Yeah,
Gold
this is
last,
gold.
yesterday.
Yesterday
Okay.
VWAP level and at maximum MACD range of the day.
Maximum MACD range for the day, correct. Coming back, pushing
Yeah.
towards the downside. That's great. Valid. Yes, correct. Rejection, low, lower high, lower low, possible lower high forming in this range.
Yeah.
We got a divergence here. This is pretty much in its highs and going down. That's correct. We're close. What is the white? Is that the weekly or the daily? The daily.
Here?
The daily. The white. It's the daily VWAP, right?
Yeah, it's a daily VWAP, yes.
Must be. And the other one is the weekly?
Yeah, the green was weekly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for shorts here.
Okay.
We stuck in a range on WTI.
We are.
I'm not touching it. Sorry, I don't see any trades for now for me.
Just go on the NASDAQ and tell me what you see there.
Yeah. Okay, here I see we are below both daily and weekly VWAP, and we are making head and shoulders on MACD 500x.
Okay, so you had a clear short over here. Why?
Yeah.
Let's talk about the why. High, lower high, lower high,
So
top, double top, correct?
I have a divergence
Previous support, broken here, add on, sell, add, right, get out as soon as the, what is this, 50? Listen, this is a very active market. 50 is good, but there are, I'm on the 10. Look, well, I'll tell you something. It is not mandatory for everyone to replicate the exact execution chart I'm using. I'm going to make that clear today in the course. I'm adding some videos. So I'm going to make that clear in the course. But for me on the 10, you see, I executed my short much sooner than you would on the 50.
Yeah.
Yes, I do get more signals, but a little bit of patience, a little bit of criteria, and I know what's going on. So do you take this trade? This cross here? This one? Definitely no. Do you know why? Because the ATR crosses here, and I'm not interested in that. Here, my ATR already crossed, and you can see that ATR is with price. It's not above price like here. This is a confirmation of the ATR. I have a low, I have a higher low, I have a low, I have a double bottom. This I would have executed. I'm not trading more anymore. I'm done. I'm not going to open any more trades. I'm up almost as similar as yesterday for the day. I'm growing up the balance well, and here you see, we made a continuation. Pretty simple. So I told you why. ATR was with us, double bottom, higher lows, that's an execution. And you hold, and you hold, and you hold until technically, price action wise, tells you not to get out. I don't want to see people executing here and getting out here just because it pulled back. The system is not a holy grace system. To do that, then you need to execute every signal call for a trade, and that's something we just don't want to do. So over here, like I said, double bottom, we have a clear-cut continuation. This is your add-on, this big push gap, this is add-on, buy more. And you get into it and watch it. Okay, it's coming down, hold. Hold a little bit, try, because this is still valid. And then you have a double top. This red candle here, the next one are all telling you get out, that the double top is holding. It's just much quicker decision making, that's all. So now if this holds and we get a cross, DCs go up, this goes down, another long. You know, just again, we are in a bearish trend and we don't want to overstay our welcome on longs until we don't have this. You see this, what's happening now, the cross? That's a long right now. This is a clear-cut long. And the point is, you need to be quick. So if you, this is what I mean. I'm sitting down and I'm watching. My only mission is to enter valid trades and make money. Now, I don't care if I trade from here until here and make that money, or I trade from here until here and make that money. I don't care. How much can I focus? I'm pretty tired, but I saw that signal over here and I took it. How did I see it? I was watching both charts. What do you see? I'm training myself as well for FOMO, because not only do I have sufficient risk capital, Pranesh, I'm going to send you a screenshot of just my week's performance. I have more than sufficient money to play with. I'm almost up 200 grand this week. It's Thursday. I made 191,000 euros. Look at this. Out of my 100% of my profit, 140,000 of my profit. I want you to check this. You don't have to share it. I'm going to send it to you here. This is week 1. 140 on NASDAQ, 26 on US 30, 25 on gold. 73% of my profit was made out of the 100% of my profit was made on NASDAQ, because it's liquid as shit. And believe me, I was not trading from here until here and from here until here. It was quick ass trades. Now I have sufficient profit, like I said, and I clearly told you that it's showing bullish indications.
Yeah.
You know, and all of these are opportunities for longs. Now we're starting to see potential bearishness or bearish weakness in the market. But for the time being, it's bullish, and all of these continuations become buying opportunities. All of them. But well, you're supposed to ask me, Dennis, why is it saying bearish? Ask me, Dennis, why is it saying bearish?
Yeah, why is it bearish?
Okay, double top, lower highs. It's telling us that it could be showing weakness. That can change. Remember, the MACD is a lagging indicator. It prints based on the candles that are being formed.
Yeah.
So for the time being, this is our rejection area. You want to map this area in, and you want to say to yourself, okay, if we break this, then I go long. And here we're breaking it, and there's your long. Any pull back down to the, like this is a long. You understand? So now the business has changed, because we have a low, high, higher low, and we're long. You get it?
Yeah.
But again, like, what is the biggest weaknesses you have alone? Tell me a little bit about that now. Do you have FOMO?
No, actually, I'm waiting for the trades. I'm not entering.
Okay, so no FOMO.
But I'm exiting early. That's what.
So we have the fear of giving money back in the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. And
We'll start with one lesson right now, and we'll work towards other ones in the course and one-on-one sessions. But for now, the main thing that I want to see from you is to give yourself a mental commitment that you want to ride winners. Just literally just say to yourself, I want to ride winners. Please open your history for today on your and show me your trades. No, just go on the assets you've traded.
No, I'll show my history. That's no problem.
No, I don't. It's fine. It's not. Okay, yeah, open it. I want to see the pips. Okay, so go history. This is
Can you see it?
Show me this trade. Show me the. Okay, no, click here. Click here. Pips. Click here.
Yeah.
Click on the pips. So
yeah,
it separates.
That's 43.
From the biggest to the smallest. Okay, show me this trade. Okay, this trade. This is the 50 tick chart. We entered here. Why did you get out here?
Yeah, that's what. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Remember, tell me everything that was going on in your mind, because you exited. Tell me.
Yeah, I thought it would be support, and it is completely bearish, and
where's the support? Where's the support?
Here.
This.
One. Yeah.
Okay. So, and it started giving you indications that there is a support, because I see you're closing below the support.
Yes.
So you're having a breakout and you're closing.
Yeah, and you know, it was quite bearish, and the market won't move in one direction for a long time. So I came out early. Actually, my TP was here, this level. You see it, yellow level, that level. But I came out early. What
told you that? Only that support that broke and you closed it?
Also, yeah, that's it. You are in a nice profit. Just get out with that like that.
Okay.
After closing out, I was thinking, well, there is no signal for me to get out. Why I'm doing this?
Okay, no, it's fine. I'm not being hard on you in any way. I want to understand what's going on in your head, but I'll give you a few ticks in the box first. You're probably looking at this. Map me this bottom level here. Drag me this
Yeah.
down here. The bottom one, drag it to the bottom, to this.
Like this?
No. This, wait, stop moving.
Yeah.
Press here and drag it down here to the bottom of the ATR. Bottom, a little bit more. No. Click on the sides. Yeah. Drag it down here. Up, yeah, there.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're literally closing here.
Yes.
Let's do a little bit of a different strategy. Of course, the market's not going to trend every time, but these are not trends. This is a 50-tick chart. The market went up and it's coming back down. That's fine.
Yeah.
Meaning we tried to go up. So let's talk a little bit about this. We were bullish. Why weren't you buying this?
Here?
Yeah. Why aren't there no buys over here? This break.
Yeah, I'm just looking for sells. I saw that.
The market
I
should be
shared that the
bearish.
trading chart. You see that if
I
the
saw.
lower highs holding, then I will be selling. That's what I'm waiting for.
I saw. Did you see how much the NASDAQ has moved up since we spoke about those executions?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so the market moved 52 points towards that other direction. Even though the market's bearish, it moved 52 points since we started talking about the potential entries. But let's talk about FOMO a little bit. Not FOMO, the fear of giving back profits. There are signs that suggest that it's smart what you did here, okay? And it is. In 90% of the trades that you're going to open, doing this, what you did here, is valid, completely valid. The only thing is, I see the pullback, the green candle, but I don't understand why you actually closed on a candle that's breaking the lows. So I'll give you a small rule. The next time that the candles continue to break lows, hold, and have a 2-candle rule, meaning that if 2 candles, you can go down even on the 25 tick. If 2 candles of the 25 tick, after you hit the support, go up, make 2 higher highs, then get out.
Okay.
But if they continue to make lower lows, hold it. Try to remember that.
Yeah.
Show me US 30, 26 points.
Here.
Why are we getting out here? But honestly, tell me the full thing. Why are you getting out here? You won't find it.
Yeah. I literally don't
try
know
to remember. Try to remember. There is no look. The more honest you are with me, the better. The easier you're gonna make my job to help you, and then the better you will feel because you're gonna be able to ride winners from now on. So talk to me for a second. Think about it. Look at this. Think about it. No. Go back. I need to show you something. Go back to the trade and open me the chart. Okay. So we spoke about this. We already spoke about this, right? We spoke about the higher lows. We spoke about the higher lows, about these 2 losers here. But let's talk about this for a second. We have a resistance. We see it. We're above it. You executed very correctly here. This add-on was not too good. Try to wait for price to come closer to the DCs like here.
Yeah. Okay.
That's 1. Number 2, try to hold on. Your VWAP is fully bullish. Your snake is pretty far away. Okay. And then look at this here. Scroll a little bit up, just a little bit. Drag this chart a little bit up. Okay. So you come into this range over here. So you have a top. Price makes a pullback. That should not scare you. This should scare you. This red candle here, this red candle here. So you get out. You take your profit. Then you draw a trend line. As price is doing this, you're paying attention to the ATR because by the time price came here, you already had this level, you had this level. These are SL areas. The market's waiting. Here we start crossing above the DC, the VWAP, the blah, blah, blah. The ATR shoots down. This is another long. I want you to stay with an asset longer. If you go even to the 25 or the 50 tick chart of NASDAQ, If you check that,
Yeah.
if you check the 50 tick chart of NASDAQ, go there. Okay, this is the 50.
Yeah, this is it.
Look at this. Look how much volatility there is here. There are buys, there are sells, there are buys, there are sells, there are buys, big ones, there are big sells. There's another buy now. We're above a few levels. What is your settings of the ATR stops? I'm on
This is actually the old settings we use. This is
the quick settings.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the other chart, I have that costing.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just showing you that the market's active. So if I didn't make money, I just came back. I was at college. I was at my girlfriend's. I was at my grandparents or wherever I might have been. The market, all I need to do, I just took a buy, by the way, not because of FOMO. The fact is, I'm trying to explain to you that all I need to do is keep my eyes on an asset that is liquid. And as it's moving, it's going to be giving me opportunities. We don't want to be based on one direction, down or up. Our analysis should suggest what could happen. But then what's actually happening could be totally different. Our job is to be just as ready to buy as we are to sell. Full stop. That's it.
Yeah.
We need to be if a trade, I'm long, this didn't scare me, but I'm ready to cut my trade and I'm very ready to reverse this down. Not saying in any way that, I'm showing off or something. What I'm saying is that you're going to get there, but you need to believe, you need to work hard, and you are working hard, and I'm pretty sure you believe. So, so this is dying out and I'm out. Okay. I already closed, took a tiny loss of, can't see how many points. Let me check. Let's talk about why I'm out. 7 points. The reason I'm out is because why? What are we doing here?
Yeah, we made a lower, we just broke a low.
Do you think that I'm long or short now or out of the trade?
You're out of the trade.
I am out of the long, but do I have a short?
I think you were just waiting for more confirmation.
Very, very close to getting into a short. Extremely close.
Yeah.
Extremely close. Double rejection here. We tried to move back up. We couldn't. We pushed down. We're below zero. You understand? I'm in the short. Yeah, so let's just remain here and let's talk. So I had a long, which I came out of. I came here somewhere. I'm short. And we'll look at the market at just how many opportunities the market's going to give us. Can you go down to the, we're on the 50. Okay, can you go down to the 10, please, 10 tick?
Yeah.
I'm out in the long. Okay, so even though on the 50 it's giving us opportunities, I just came out of this. Why? You clearly see why, all of the system indications. Yeah. But I'm just as ready to sell as I am to buy. I believe there could be a bit of a range with this support and this resistance. So we want to map this in and we want to know that it's there because this is going to be moving fast. Candles are printing very quickly. So we're going to map the bottom. We're going to map the top. Do it. Put a box at the bottom, put a box at the top. Because very soon you're not going to see this anymore. It's going to disappear because candles are printing.
Yes, we made a new lower low here.
We're attempting a potential break, but remember, we do have a support.
Yeah.
We are also above the snake on the 1K. So that could suggest that there was an excellent opportunity to take a long towards the top side of the range, which I did. There we go. 6 points, 5 points, 7 points, 9, 6. Come on, a little bit more. And I'm out. I'm out with 6 points there. I should have, of course, held on, but I opened 3 positions, long. So in reality, I made like 18 points, something like this. But I took the long. As soon as this candle started coming in, I'm long. I snapped the market 3
that's
times.
also my problem. I'm not able to trade multiple trades. I'm not able to take it.
You don't have to do multiple assets. You can just click. The reason I'm doing that is because of slippage. I took a big position on gold for 50 lots, and price was here, for example, and it took me in here. That's called slippage, and that's not good. You understand? I still got my
What makes the slippage when you trade a big? It happens.
slippage. That means that they have moved me onto a book. They're scared that I'm going to be able to hurt them, and there is no buyer at that specific price for that size. That's allowing me to get into the market. You understand?
Yeah.
So there is a buyer with the pending order here, a seller who's selling 50 lots worth of gold, and I'm trying to get in here, but there's no one. You understand?
Yeah.
Drag further. You want to be quick with this. We're focused. What are we doing? There's a long? Yes, there is. Boom. You understand?
Yeah.
Why? Why are we long? We're at the bottom. We got a top. We got a low. We got a high. Higher than this one. Higher low. Thank you, Mr. Market. You understand? So boom. You're going. I'm holding this one. I'm expecting a push towards the top. That's where I'm getting out. Here we go. 10 points. 10, 12, 14. I'm out. Boom. Why am I out? I don't have to risk it. I already got fucking 14 something points on this. You understand?
I had to think this much fast. I'm not processing like this.
Boom. It's a boom. And now that we're on the 10, I can trade this range. I can short this. I can sell. I got to take profit. I got areas to play with. If it fails, I'll know quick. I'm on the 10 tick, exit. I wasn't short, but I'm just saying, boom, look at this. Okay, are we going to break out? Yes, we're breaking the range. Trying. 1, 2 positions. Let's try. Let's see if it's going to go up. -6 points. I'm not watching my trade, my money. I'm watching the fucking chart. My eyes are peeled on this. That's all I'm watching. My finger is down here on the close all. You understand? But my eyes are out. You understand? My eyes are fully focused on what's going on in the chart. Do I get a new signal? I'm waiting. I'm in. Why am I in? Cross. We're above. 1 position though. Nothing too crazy. Please put a multiple chart view. 1K ticks.
Sure. 1 sec. Yeah.
Okay. Please zoom in. This one. The 1K. Turn this to candles.
Yeah.
You're going to see it a little better. What is this? 500, 1,000. Snake.
Above.
You see the snake? Right there.
Yes, I see.
Holding. We're approaching what? A potential resistance. This here is the next one. We already predetermined everything. You understand? Everything is predetermined. And all I'm watching is here. This is all I'm watching. In the meantime, my eyes glance. Where are we? Okay, set the level here. Set the level there. Set me a level. Box. Still in a profit, by the way. Still in a profit. Tiny, but still in a profit. Now I have 2 options. I don't have an SL, by the way, but I'm going to set it right here. I'm giving myself the opportunity to hold, and I'm still holding, and I'm out. No, I'm not. Okay, no, I'm out now. So now we seem to be failing. Okay, we seem to be failing. We're coming back into the range. I'm waiting, watching the chart, 10 tick, watching short. I'm waiting for a pullback. Now, where's my SL? Right up here. That's my SL. That's 20 points, but I'm fine. I just made enough money in that range to do this. You understand?
Yeah.
I actually made money in that range. Where's your level? Bring your level from, you don't have it on this chart?
Which,
I'll tell you where
prime
it
level?
is. Wait, no. We drew the range of the level. We're back in the range.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Wait. I'll show you where to draw it. No. That's not the range.
I'll draw it.
No, it's okay. You don't have to. I got it. I'll tell you where to draw it. Out to the short. Now we wait. Because I just took 2 losses in a row and I'm waiting. And I wait. And I wait. Just wait. Now it's a waiting game. Now I'm watching this. I'm watching this. See that?
Yeah.
I'm just waiting. How is Mr. Price action going to behave over here? Because if we break the top side, I'm going to have good opportunities. If we can't sustain it and form a lower high right at the fake out of the range, guess what? We're coming right back down. You understand? So we don't rush. We're now at the top. We're at the top. No trade. Getting close for a short again. 2 shorts for me. 5 points. We're at the support. I'm just watching price. I'm not watching my pips. I'm not watching anything. Just watching price. If we start pulling back, I'm going to get the hell out and stay out. If that is in a 1 point profit, if that is in a 5 point loss, who cares? Watch, continue to watch. Watch the snake, watch the DCs, watch price. Finger on the trigger. Hold. Finger remains on the trigger. We're at an ATR support. We're trying to break it. We can't. I'm out. I'm out because of this. If we break that, I'm in again.
You know, I never traded this fast and fast decision making. I have to get used to it.
Yes, you do. And I'm in. Yes, as soon as I entered. Boom, baby.
Then that's your lots. It's going down there.
There you go. You see that? Now I'm going to lock this bad boy in. Thank you, Mr. Market. I just locked 5 points in for no reason. Execution. Locked. It's not about fast. It's just about focus. If you start looking at this chart for so long, and then you look at this, you're going to be, oh my God, where are we? Do you see where we are? You see that level? Hey, yeah. You know how many points I have? 24, 25, 24. I'm out. Boom. Thank you, Mr. Market. You understand? We're just made money buying. We took 2 losses. We chilled. We got a confirmation. We shorted. We got out. We got in. There's the level. What are we doing now? Okay, what is this?
We are just holding that range.
1 sec,
support.
please. What is your snake here? What setting is it at?
It's 20. It's 20. Yeah. No, it's 10.
It's 10.
No, 20. Yes.
It couldn't be 20. 20? What are you on? 1 second.
Yeah, it's 20, 10 ticks.
No. 1,000 tick chart.
1,000, it's 10, I think so. Yeah, 10.
Okay, 10. Okay. Cool. So look, we're trying to fail this. We're trying to break out. We're trying to go up. We don't know what's going on. We don't care what's going on. We just know we have a level. We have a low, we have a high, we have a higher low, we have 3 lower highs in this range. But if we start pushing up, that's a long. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Market. I didn't want to trade, but I'm fucking trading. The good thing is I'm making money. 7 points, 9 points, 12 points here at the top. Continue to watch. See that, Mr. Pranesh? Isn't that easy? Like I said, all you need to do is focus. Watch the chart, have the levels mapped in. And it's a fucking piece of cake. Why? Because low, high, higher low, low, high, higher low, started to bend, wasn't curving towards the downside. Beautiful execution here. This green one, if you don't grab that, that's fine. Boom, you get in. By the way, I'm out because I looked. But that's what I'm saying, you know. And then all you do,
I got much more clarity watching you trade like this. Yeah,
you will. And I'm going to do it tomorrow too. Like I'll be live and I'll show you guys. All of you remain muted and I'll just talk. I'll have like 25 coffees and I'll talk like crazy. But this is what I'm saying. You know, this is a range. Look here, the candle. Look at this candle. Could you make that much money on this candle? You can't trade that.
yeah.
Like me on the 10 tick, man, I can make money while somebody's waiting for this to happen and they can go 1 million lot short. I will make more money with 10 lot positions in this whole move than somebody with 1 million lot position from here to here. Because I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell, I'm going to add on. I'll do every little bit. Now, the beautiful thing is I wasn't even prepared for this. Me and you started trading and we started mapping out.
Yeah.
We made money earlier. I said, I'm going to stop trading, but here we go again, you know. And now we're watching, you know, look at the NASDAQ or look at the MACD. Okay, thank you, Mr. MACD. You're telling me this. What are you telling me? You're telling me that you could be holding a previous low. You see this down here? We're holding this bad boy over here. So what are we in? In a Mr. Range. Do we have that Mr. Range? Yes, we do. So when we come to the bottom of the range, we are more willing to buy. When we come to the top of the range, we're more willing to sell. You understand? When we get stuck at the range, we're very interested in buying, but we're also ready in selling. You get it?
Yeah.
But you, my friend, you have helped me increase my profit by 2,000. So thank you. Do you understand everything we're going over?
Yeah, I totally understand. I'll practice it in the coming days. Yeah.
Okay. Talk to me a little bit more about your trading now. Tell me what's going on. What is that one thing that if we could remove, my good friend, that one thing that if we could remove would make you better than me? What is it? I can't hear you, by the way.
I didn't talk.
You got to know it. It's that first thing that came to your mind. I don't want to know anything else. Tell me that first thing.
I think I had told you everything.
I'm long.
I see.
No, tell me that there's got to be something else in there. Give me something. Come on, Pranesh. There is something. What is it? Riding winners? Is that it?
Yeah, riding winners and my watch list preparation, that, and I'm also very doubtful in understanding the fundamentals, the news, how it's going to impact it, and
what else?
And
execution.
And also I have a fear of losing. That's what I'm saying.
Fear of losing.
Yeah.
Okay.
The time I'm sitting on my station, I think it's a positive. I'm sure I'm going to make money, but as soon as I enter trade, I'm precisely watching every opposites of my side. Like even one signal of a negative that makes me come out of the winning trade.
Okay. So listen, first things first, and I'm going to be dead honest with you, okay?
Yeah.
This might sting a little, but it has to, because this business is ruthless, you know? First things first, if fear of losing money, get over it like now, because if you don't get over that fear, you can't be a trader.
Yeah.
Full stop. Like straight away say, that's fine. Losing is a part of where's our level? Hey, drag our levels. No, I don't see it.
Actually, it is here.
Oh my God, I'm watching my other chart. Okay, now long again. You see, I came out another long video. So why are we long? You know, look.
Yeah, we are at the support.
Double bottom, we're at the support. We're trying to cross. We haven't crossed fully, by the way. So a bit of an early entry for me, my bad. What did I want to say? Yeah, so fear of loss, I'm out.
Okay.
Getting ready for possible breakout. What did I want to say? Yeah, so fear of loss, like the first things like that has to be clear is that like it's all about losses in this business and you need to manage them. That's the whole point of trading. I explained it a little bit better today in that message that I sent. You know, losses are a part of the game. We need to accept that every trade you open is already a loss, right? Because of the spread.
Yeah.
So until you don't actually close it, you never have the money. You're always in a loss, and there is always the risk of ruin that will always exist. So that's something that you just have to accept along. You just have to accept, like completely accept and acknowledge that, yes, that's here, that's alive. It's always going to be a part of trading, and it could always hurt me. But I'm going to manage my position sizes. I'm not going to, yes, short. I'm not going to overtrade. I'm not going to overexpose. You know, I'll follow the process. You get it? I'll be who I need to be so I can make a profit. You understand?
I hear you.
But if you can't accept the risk of loss, then you know you might as well say trading. Bye trading. I'm gonna go do something else. You know. So accepting that factor, vital. So that one, like deal with it like ASAP. Most importantly, the easiest way to deal with it, I believe, is just acknowledging, accepting, you know, and then sizing down as well, not being oversized.
Will do.
So this is not looking too good on the 10 ticks, even though it's below our entry and everything. I don't like the higher low here. I'm liking now the lower high because we're still below zero. And we got a bottom over here. We've retested an ATR level here. So that's good, but there are some signs telling us that maybe it might be a fake out. First of all, we came out of the range. Yes, we retested it, but it's taking its time to move. So sometimes when that's happening, the smart choice to do is to just get out of the trade and wait for the next breakout. You know, why play around with fire? Because this is fire right now, because it could spike up and come right back into that range. You understand?
Yeah.
Because we came out of it. Clearly, there was more selling for it to come out, but right now somebody's holding it. Do you understand? And you can see the range, and this is what I'm talking about. You see? Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
And this is what I mean. You want to get out of your shorts because the trade is not working out. You execute, and it's working. Oh, it's working. Oh, taking too long. Get the hell out and look for potential longs. You understand? So if the trade doesn't start working out quickly, this is a fucking buy now. You understand?
Yeah.
Or at least based on what we see right now, it's a long. Oh my God, we got a lot of people here. So yeah, what else did we talk about?
Yeah, that's it. I got my information. I got so many.
Did you take that long?
Thanks to you.
Did you take the long?
Oh, I didn't.
God damn it, Pranesh. God damn it. God damn. But it's okay. Next one. So yeah, I showed you that you can make money. I explained to you that if the trade's not working out quick, get a hell out and maybe even change direction. Because we came out of the range, we retested, that was valid. I would maybe even add on here. Price couldn't, and then pretty much I started telling you that there is a high possibility that maybe it's time for it to reverse on us, you know. So now we're monitoring it here as well. There is ATR levels towards the right a little bit. It looks valid though. I mean, we can see that the MACD in this area over here tends to go up recently. I mean, that's how we failed this move and we did this. So the market's moving. Yes, there you go, Pranesh. So the next cross again. So if this dips down and we have a cross, that's an execution for longs. Not yet. Not yet. You see the MACD the ATR is keeping you out of trouble. You would have entered the trade now. because it broke above, but the ATR is telling you chill out. Now, boom. So yeah, now you're targeting the top of the range, you know.
Okay.
Why aren't you long? Pranesh.
I'm in.
I want you to start developing confidence. And before we end the session, I want to see you execute one trade as well by yourself on the NASDAQ. I think you mapped it out perfectly. I think hey, why is your SL so close? That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Wait for the next one. Wait for the next one. Now, the next trade, what I want you to do is execute totally on your own. Buy or sell. I want you to be looking at the charts, chill out. No one's judging. One trade completely by yourself. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Superb. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I would go short if the support breaks.
What about long?
That's on us.
What needs to happen for you to go long here?
I need ATR to go down the price.
You're holding an ATR level. You're holding a session level too, primed level.
Okay.
That's your cue. You know, I can't wait for you to put that song. I can see, well, I'll put it for you now. This song. This song. Soon, all of you guys are going to be playing this.
Come on, do something.
Oh, it's going to do something. Don't worry. It's the 10-tick chart. This song.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
I am feeling very Olympic today.
This one.
How about you?
Can you hear?
Yeah, I'm long.
No. Can you hear the song?
Yes, I hear it.
No, it's not this song.
There we go.
Not this song. Is it? Wait.
I'm long.
This song. Can you hear the song?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah.
Hey, Akim, how's it going?
Oh, good, man. All right.
I love this song.
Hi, Pranesh.
Manage your trade. Remember what you need to watch. Oh no, Pranesh, what are you doing? Don't close it. It's still holding. Remember, it's still holding. The price action, the aspect of the aspect action is holding. You had a clear level here. If anything, you should have bought more when this happened. Okay? So ATR below, new cross, valid buy. New cross, valid buy. ATR below. Capish?
Yeah.
Excellent. No, don't let that make you rush now. You're not doing anything wrong. You are focused on growth and development. I don't want you to, oh, sorry, you got a lot of drawings there. I don't want you to overstay your position. I don't want you to do anything wrong in a sense of, because you might feel pressure, but pressure is important and you need to perform under pressure, you know?
Okay.
Oh my God, I cut my leg. So this level starts breaking, it's finished, you know? It's finished, Pranesh, for the time being. Because it failed. It tried to make two higher lows. Look, high, high. See this? Look at the structure
Yeah.
of the market. It's made a new low. You understand? And here, look at this.
I think it's holding still.
Let's it try to hold, but look at your snake. Let's try. Akim, how are you?
Good after 10 hours sleep. Oh, can you
How
hear
are
me?
now? Yeah, I can hear you. Great.
Yeah, no, after I got home for about 9 this morning, I thought I'd stay up for a bit and I went to bed and get up to about 5:30, 5:45.
Okay,
I feel fully fresh now. I'm just trying to catch up on messages.
my man.
The playbook report for yesterday, which isn't going to look good, but you know, it is what it is. And that's it really. When are you going to be available to do this, what you're doing with Pranesh? I know you've done it with Mark.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, cool. Yeah, I'm off. No, I'm working tonight, back hopefully tomorrow for about 7, and then I'll have most of the day. So yeah, it'll be really good to do.
Look at my main man, Pranesh. Look at that. Look at him compounding trades and shit, huh? He's a gangster. You guys gotta watch out. He's gonna take over the block.
Yeah, man. Well
Quick
done,
one,
No, I
Pranesh.
just want to.
Pranesh,
Yeah.
Pranesh, you gotta be quick. Gotta be quick.
No, I have only one screen. I can't close all the.
Ah, you have it like that.
Yeah.
Click on this. Ah, no. Why did you detach your? Anyway, it's okay.
Yeah, I had this one here, the positions and the watch list.
But why don't you have two screens here? There, where you just
Yeah.
were. Go back.
Sorry.
No, go
Yeah.
to the other window.
This
There.
one?
Why don't you add two charts here?
I feel it has more chart space
Okay.
without the
Like
position.
this, you have more. Okay.
Yeah.
1 sec then. One sec, I'm gonna check something. There's gonna be trades here. Remember that. See that the bulls are starting to fail. Can you please open your 50 and I'll show you 50 tick? There's our range. Yeah, that's the top.
Yeah.
We try to come, we never came here. We try to go up, we can't. We try to go up, we can't. Where are we stuck more? We're stuck towards the bottom much more. There could be a breakout. Capiche? So for the time being, we haven't even tapped the top of the range. Here we came close, here we came, here we failed. But we could easily maybe attempt to push towards the upside. So if this fails now, solid short. CJ there. My main man Pranesh has discovered a new. What's this? Look at him. You're making money.
So responsive.
Great job, Pranesh. Remember the lows.
Yeah.
Cool. Guys, I'm done. I want to go chill. Questions? Anyone?
I'll drop you a message, Dennis.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Pranesh, don't overtrade on this, please.
I don't want.
It's
Well
going to
done.
generate. Yeah, really good. I'm really proud of you, Pranesh. I'm very happy how you executed the trades and how quickly you picked up exactly what I'm doing. We're going to work privately
Thanks to
more.
you, brother.
It's all you, my man. All you. All I'm doing is telling you what to do. You're the one that's doing it. So it's all you. 1 sec. Cool. So yeah, exciting times. Markets are going wild. A lot of volatility is kicking in. Very happy for you, Pranesh, and I'll see you tomorrow. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm going to
see
be
you
active
guys.
still. I'll be releasing videos. So I need to
Yeah,
release.
these kind of sessions really helpful, very much better.
So you don't like
Yeah.
the ones that I do. You prefer to do
Not
them.
like that, actually.
I'm joking. Just wanted to make you smile. Cool.
Anyway,
Thank you. Thank
anyway.
you, guys. Thank you, everyone, for your time. I am off, but I am active in the community. Just going to go eat a slice of pizza and I'll be back.
Thanks, Dennis. Yeah.
Ciao. See you later.